How to assemble your Permasteel PS-213D cooler. Let's get started. Step 1. While the cooler basin is upside down, attach the leg frames to the basin using 4 M6 by 13mm bolts per side. There are 8 bolts total. Tighten everything using the provided Allen wrench. The following step is not found in the manual, but it is an alternative way to install the storage shelf. Step 2. With the basin now flipped upright on its secured legs, attach the bottom storage shelf between the legs using 4 M6 by 25mm bolts. Make sure all bolts are evenly and securely tightened on all 4 legs. Step 3. After carefully flipping the basin on its back, thread the casters into the leg frames. Install the locking casters on one side and the standard casters on the other. Tighten each caster using the open end wrench. Step 4. With the cooler standing upright, place the divider inside the basin. It offers 5 configuration options, 3 divider setups and 2 tabletop options for the left and right side. Step 5. Attach the side handles to the cooler body using 12 M6 by 13mm bolts. There are 6 for each handle. Tighten securely with the Allen wrench. Step 6. Attach the bottle opener using 2 M6 by 13mm bolts. Then install the 2 M6 by 13mm shoulder bolts just below it. These will serve as mounting points for the cap catcher. Step 7. Attach the lid knobs to the lid using 2 M4 by 32mm screws. Fully tighten with the Phillips screwdriver. Now for the drain plug. Start by sliding one rubber gasket onto the drain plug. Insert the plug through the hole in the basin from the inside. Make sure the drain plug is straight before continuing. From the outside, add the second rubber gasket and then the sealing washer, while holding the drain plug from the inside to keep it steady and straight. Hand tighten the lock nut while holding the washer in place. Then finish tightening it fully with a wrench. The rubber gaskets should appear slightly compressed and barely visible. As shown from the inside view, the gasket on the left is full and uncompressed. After tightening with the wrench, the gasket on the right is pressed down and snug, which ensures a secure fit for the drain plug cap. Finally, screw on the end cap of the drain plug, making sure it's fully tightened. And that's it. Your Permasteel patio cooler is fully assembled and ready to use.